Welcome to your math channel. Here, you learn math quickly and directly with hands-on exercises. Subscribe to the channel. Give your feedback by subscribing and leaving a like. Can we solve this problem? Bob bought a car valued at $7,700. A year later, the car lost 2/7 of its value. What is the car's new value? Let's get straight to the point here. The car cost $7,700 and it depreciated. So that's minus 2/7 of the car's value. So it's minus the depreciation here. Let's figure out the depreciation here. How do we do that? 2/7 of 7,700. You divide the value you want to find by the denominator and then multiply by the numerator. So 7 divided by 7 is 1. 7 divided by 7 is 1. 0 left, 0 left. Bring down the 0. Can't divide. Put a 0 here. Bring down another 0. Can't divide. Put another 0 here. So the answer here is 1,100. 1,100. Now you've divided by the denominator. Now you'll multiply by the numerator times 2. So 2 times 0 is 0. 2 times 0 is 0. 2 times 1 is 2. 2 times 1 is 2. Is it 2,200? No, that's the amount of depreciation. What's the new value of the car? It's the initial value minus the depreciation. So 0 minus 0 is 0. 0 minus 0 is 0. 7 minus 2 is 5. 7 minus 2 is 5. So what's the correct answer? The correct answer is letter B, 5,500. So we found the answer here quickly, directly. No beating around the bush. Subscribe to the channel, leave a comment if you also got this result, and see you in the next video. Aww.